Today, we're making crispy Thai spicy chicken. If you're looking for a crispy chicken recipe that's not boring, this video is for you. This crispy chicken recipe is coated with a delicious spicy yet sweet sauce. The aromatic flavors from the Thai basil go so well with this dish, and there's a nice balance of veggies. Served with some rice and you've got a fantastic lunch or dinner meal. This is one of my favorites that you must try, so let's get cooking. Split about 1 cup of string beans into 2-inch pieces. Then slice 1 red bell pepper. This adds some color to the dish. And 1 green bell pepper. We'll then mince 4 garlic cloves. And slice 1/4 of a yellow onion. For the chicken, use boneless skinless chicken thighs and cut into about 1-inch by 2-inch long strips. These are just the right size for coating with lots of sauce. Add 1 egg white and mix. Let's get air frying. In a bowl or container, add about 2 cups of tapioca starch. Preheat an air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and spray with some oil. Toss our chicken pieces in the tapioca starch until fully coated, then add to the air fryer. Spray generously with oil and allow to cook for 12 minutes. While we wait, let's toss the rest of our chicken in the tapioca starch and set aside. We can also prep our sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of Lao Ga Ma chili crisp oil, 1 teaspoon of additional chili oil, 3 tablespoons of honey, and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Mix. And here's our sauce. After 12 minutes of cooking, give the air fryer a shake. Spray generously with more oil, and allow to cook for another 12 minutes. This will get the chicken nice and crispy. Remove into a bowl or drying rack, and cook the rest of the chicken the same exact way. We can also air fry our string beans for 2 minutes to try and get them wrinkled, but honestly, just use a wok if you have one. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil, add our garlic, then our veggies, toss for about 45 seconds, add some oil, then our Thai basil, to fry it up a little. Then toss. Add our sauce to the side and bring to a simmer for 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and add our chicken and string beans. Give everything a big toss together to get a nice coating of the spicy sauce. Feel free to double the sauce recipe as well if you like some excess sauce for like the rice. And boom, we have a crispy Thai spicy chicken. This is so good. The flavors are spicy, sweet, crunchy, and absolutely addictive. Each bite will have you wanting another bite. Rice goes so well with this dish. It makes for a great lunch or dinner option and will not disappoint. This makes for a great lunch or dinner option and will not disappoint. If this looks delicious to you, then be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. We can then pack this up. Note that this recipe makes about 4 servings. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite spicy Thai food dish is, and we'll see you next time.